And finally, the Hellpup update. Hatchmaster 308 here once again with another AK video. We're gonna... Oh wait, what's this? There it is, the no-go gauge. And here it is itself, the cast bomb. It's cast! Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, look at that casting mark. You guys, it's gonna blow up! This is a Moisen wrench. My wonderful friend helped me machine. We dremeled it in half. And it now is a sling attachment for this little single point sling there. No trickery here, folks. And like I said, I'm no shill. I'm just gonna shoot this gun until it breaks just to prove a point, because people like to say cast AKs are terrible. Like I've done all my other research before, you get a good casting and they can cast it correctly, it'll last just as well as a stamp milled, foraged, hammer foraged, blah, 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 AK. So, this is the no-go gauge. We are going to put it in there for your viewing pleasure or displeasure. It hasn't blown up yet. Check inside the mag well. It's clear. There's no mag in there. Good thing. Got my chamber flag in. You would not want one of these bullets coming through the screen. That's real dangerous stuff, man. Bullets transferring through data and all that. You know how it goes. Bolt with no-go gauge. Should drop in right here. Close like that when it rotates. See how that locks up there at the top to keep it in the chamber there. Comes straight back and rotates. Now we're going to try it with the gauge. This is with the no-go gauge. If this was out of headspace, that would be able to move, and this locking lug would be closer to hitting that, and if it hits that, it would be unsafe. And that's not going anywhere. So we're gonna unlock it. There's the gauge again. What? My cast AK won't close on a no-go gauge? This is crazy. The internet's broken. AK? Cast AK? No! 6,000 plus rounds through it. Got some good dumps just from today and a little other footage, unseen footage of this Hellpup.